Is cable TV just too expensive? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the X2 Pro from StreamX. This is a digital TV box that allows you to pretty much watch cable television and tons of movies. You can put things like Kodi on it, and it does up to 6K. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the X2 Pro from StreamX. 6K Ultra HD, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of hard drive space. Look at that, can handle 1,000 megs of 1 gig. And nice, updated Wi-Fi 6, Android 12. This thing looks like it's going to be awesome. Packaging looks fantastic on here. Very nice. Let's open it up. So we have a user guide right here. Looks like it's pretty simple. Gives contents of what's in the package, some specifications there. So pretty much part of the stuff I already mentioned. There's a connection diagram there to make sure you plugging it up right. Remote control features, some info here about the settings and everything, troubleshooting, very nice. Good job. We have our power cable in here. Looks like it is a dedicated line to go into it, so it's not USB powered. So fantastic though right here, so you're definitely getting enough power. Looks like we have an HDMI cable that is included, so always awesome when they care enough about you to send some free, very cool HDMI cable. Looks like it's pretty long included. Looks like we have our remote control here. Nice. Look at the little microphone button here. So I'm guessing you can speak into this thing. It is Bluetooth pairing right here. So some information on how to set that up. But listen, good clicking sound on it. Buttons feel great. Little volume control, mute. Right here to control your channel, I'm going to assume, or any passcodes. Very cool. Remote control, great job. And finally, the device itself. That's right, this is what you're here for. Well, this also. We know you love it. There we go. Wow, this thing looks nice, looks sleek, low profile. I think we got our little ports here in the back. Very cool. It's even got the easy ability to set up surround sound or anything like that on here. Hardline if you decide to do that. Ethernet, and our antennas for additional range. Very cool. This thing looks great, feels great, is definitely high quality. Excited? Let's try it out. This is the X2 Pro from StreamX. It is the best fully loaded streaming box, and it's an Android IPTV box that lets you watch your favorite shows and movies. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and a 32 gigabyte storage, making it a powerful multimedia device. The box supports a 1,000 megabyte Ethernet connection, that's a gig, and dual band Wi-Fi, so it supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring a stable streaming experience. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote control with an upgraded voice command system. The fifth element, making it easy to navigate and find what you want to watch. Star Wars. High definition and stable streaming experience. The StreamX X2 Pro is equipped with the latest streaming and decoding technology, allowing you to enjoy realistic picture quality on compatible HDR TVs from the comfort of your home. The box is also known for its stability, making it a trusted choice for streaming. 4K home theater enjoyment. Again, the StreamX is equipped with the most advanced streaming and decoding technology, so you're free to enjoy realistic picture quality from the comfort of your home. That's right, best fully loaded IPTV box, one purchase for a lifetime IPTV service, so there's no hidden fees. Advanced built-in voice command function for live TV and video on demand, new time shift, parental control, and backup TV, and 24/7 customer service online, so you get all your questions answered. And there's exclusive apps for this thing. Eco TV, Eco VOD, Playback, Backup TV. That's right, this thing is awesome. So again, StreamX X2 Pro, Android 12 operating system, advanced voice command system, Google Assistant compatible, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabyte storage, Wi-Fi 6, and 1000 Mbps Ethernet port. Great job, StreamX. The X2 Pro, rockin'. StreamX, this thing is awesome. Such a sweet deal for everything that you get included. It's just, mwah, chef's kiss. We want to give a huge shout out to StreamX for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye.